I've had the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro for about a week now, and I've got lots to share. Thanks to Google for sponsoring this video. Let's get them. Do you want to tell them about the offer? Oh yeah. Also thanks to Google for providing an exclusive offer for you guys. The first 50 people to use my shopping link in the US will get an additional $50 off, and the first 50 in the UK will get an additional £50 off the Pixel 8 or Pixel 8 Pro. As well as that, with the purchase of a Pixel 8, you'll get the Pixel Buds Pro for free, and with the Pixel 8 Pro, you'll get the Pixel Watch 2 for free. Now this will be for a limited time, and you can use the shopping link at the bottom of this video anytime to go ahead and make the purchase. Right, now let's really get them unboxed. And inside the boxes, as well as the devices, you do get a little booklet with a SIM card tool. There's a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable, as well as this quick switch adapter. This is USB Type-A to USB Type-C. And here they are. So I've got the Pixel 8 in the hazel and the Pixel 8 Pro in this beautiful bay. The Pixel 8 is also available in a rose as well as an obsidian. The Pixel 8 Pro is also available in an obsidian and a porcelain. I think I'm saying that right. The Pixel 8 has a satin frame with a polished glass back. The Pixel 8 Pro has a polished aluminium frame with a matte glass back, so it's kind of reversed. And this is the first time we've got a matte glass back on a Pixel device. I really do like this. It means that fingerprints are not as visible. Now both devices do have an IP68 water and dust resistant rating. The Pixel 8, of course, the more compact design, but despite being a larger device, the Pixel 8 Pro doesn't feel as large. And that's because firstly, it only weighs around 213 grams, which is lighter compared to other flagships in this size. But we've also got these rounded edges with the curved glass on the back, which does make it more comfortable to hold, I've found. But let's flip these over and take a look at the displays. So the first thing you'll notice, and something that I really do like, is the fact that we've got symmetrical bezels. They're small with a small punch out, so we're getting lots of screen. The Pixel 8 has a smaller 6.2-inch display using OLED technology, and it now has a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz, up from 90 Hz that we had on the Pixel 7. It also goes down to around 60 Hz, full HD resolution with a peak brightness of up to 2000 nits. So this can get very bright and has Gorilla Glass Victors. Now with the Pixel 8 Pro, in my opinion, this has one of the best displays on a smartphone right now. It's 6.7 inches. It also has up to a 120 Hz refresh rate, which makes everything smooth, but it is using LTPO technology, which means it can go all the way down to 1 Hz, making it more efficient. And that will be especially useful if you want to use the high resolution, Quad HD Plus, making everything very sharp. And get this, the peak brightness on the Pixel 8 Pro is up to 2400 nits, making it one of the brightest smartphone displays out there. It's something that I really appreciate, somebody who always wears sunglasses. And surprisingly, in the UK, it's actually been sunny over the past week, and using this outdoors has been a real pleasure. The Pixel 8 Pro also has Gorilla Glass Victors 2, which makes it more durable. Now, of course, with Pixel devices, it is all about those cameras. We've got the same selfie camera, 10.5 megapixels. Now, I've been a long-time fan of Pixel selfies. They're sharp with great colors and realistic skin tones. So Google has Real Tone, which tries to maintain skin tones as accurately as possible. Now for the rear-facing cameras. So the primary camera on both devices, it's a 50 megapixel camera, so you can get lots of detail, and you can use Pro mode to shoot at full 50 megapixels. There's a 12 megapixel ultrawide on the Pixel 8, and there's a 48 megapixel ultrawide camera on the Pixel 8 Pro. Both of these can also double up as macro cameras if you do want to get some really nice close-up shots. And I've taken hundreds of photos over the past week with both of these devices. And the key thing that really stands out to me is dynamic range. You've got excellent dynamic range. Even when I was shooting into the sun, you could still see all of the detail in the shadow areas. Now, of course, guys, I'm going to be working on a SuperSaf style camera comparison of the Pixel 8 Pro versus the competition. You're not going to want to miss it, so do subscribe and hit that bell icon. The Pixel 8 Pro also has a telephoto camera. Now this is 48 megapixels It gives you 5 times optical zoom and up to 30 times super res zoom, which combines digital and optical zoom. And personally, I really like this for taking photos at 5 times. When you're taking pictures of people, you'll get natural looking bokeh, which looks very, very nice. For video, we've got 4K up to 60 frames a second with 10-bit HDR video. Now, there will be Pixel's new Video Boost technology, which will deliver HDR plus and enhanced color grading, so you can actually let the cloud process these videos for you, as well as night sight video. These are going to be coming in a few months' time, and I will definitely be testing them out. But so far, video dynamic range, once again, has been excellent. You'll see more in my camera comparison. And we also have lots of new camera and editing features. So with Pixel devices, it is all about that combination of hardware, software, and AI. So we've got Google's Tensor G3, 8 gigabytes of RAM on the Pixel 8, 12 gigabytes of RAM on the Pixel 8 Pro. And in my testing, both have been really, really good in terms of performance. They've been able to handle everything that I've thrown at them. But that also comes down to the software. So we've got Android 14, but as you may have heard already, we are going to be getting OS and security updates for 7 years. Now, this is unheard of practically. The fact that you'll be able to buy these in 2023 and you'll still be getting software support all the way to 2030 with new features and security. Now, sure, you may not be using your particular device for that long, but if you're somebody like me who hands their devices down to family after you've used them for a couple of years, then again, they'll be getting those software updates for 7 years. I still can't believe that. Now, over the past week that I've been using these, the features that have really stood out to me, firstly, Audio Magic Eraser. So if you've taken a video and there's loud noises in the background, maybe it's really windy, which it is most of the time here in the UK, then you can actually use this feature to cut out that background sound. Here's an example. So we have a lot of background noise, which you can maybe hear or maybe not, thanks to the Audio Magic Eraser. Now, I think you'll agree with me that this is very impressive. And what's really cool is the fact that you can even do this on videos that you've taken previously. So maybe you've taken some videos on your previous Pixel devices. You can just go into the Google Photos app and you can still apply this, which is amazing. Magic Editor is another feature that I've been really impressed with, especially somebody like me who's come from a graphic design background where I've had to spend hours doing some of these edits. They are so fast here. Now, we've had Magic Eraser for a couple of years now, and it's gotten better and better, and it's really great for removing maybe somebody in the background that you don't want to be there. But with Magic Editor, it really takes it to the next level. You can select objects, move them around. You can also increase the size of objects. So for example, in this image, obviously I want to be the center of attention. I can just select myself and increase myself in size, and the final results are actually very, very impressive. We've also got VPN by Google One built into both devices. You're not going to have to get a VPN separately. And there are also lots of improvements to Google Assistant. So you can ask the assistant to summarize, read aloud, as well as translate web pages. I am somebody who likes to multitask, well, try to anyway. So if there's an article that I want to read, I prefer it to be read out loud or summarized while I'm doing something else. And the Google Assistant is absolutely great for this. Assistant voice typing also lets you write messages twice as fast with your voice. And you'll see that this is very accurate and works so quickly. The Pixel 8 Pro also has a brand new feature which I have not seen on any other device, and that is a temperature sensor. So this is a thermometer which is built in and can quickly check the temperature of objects such as drinks or food. Now, I personally can't see myself using this too much as yet, but hey, it's a nice feature to have. Now let's talk about the batteries. So we actually have larger batteries this year compared to last year. Now, I've primarily been using the Pixel 8 Pro over the past week, and battery life has been very good. It's been able to get me through the day absolutely fine. And you do have up to 30 watts of fast charging supported. Now, this charger is sold separately, so it's not included. And that will give you around 50% in 30 minutes. Qi wireless fast charging is also supported. So you can wirelessly charge these. It's something that I generally opt for. And both devices also support battery share. So you can charge other devices on the back of these Pixels. Finally, let's talk about pricing. Now, the Pixels have increased in price compared to last year. So the Pixel 8 starts at £700 or $700. The Pixel 8 Pro starts at £1,000 or $1,000. Now, although the price has increased, remember the offers that we have on. For a limited time, you can get around $50 off using the shopping link down here. But in addition to that, you can get the Pixel Buds Pro, which are worth around £200 free with the purchase of the Pixel 8, or you can get the Pixel Watch 2 Wi-Fi, which is around £350 with the purchase of a Pixel 8 Pro. Now, these offers are on for a limited time, so do use that shopping link. And once again, thanks to Google for sponsoring this video and providing these exclusive offers for SuperSaf viewers. Let me know what you guys think of the Pixel 8 and the Pixel 8 Pro down in the comments. And don't forget, I am working on the SuperSaf style camera comparison, as well as a hands-on comparison of the Pixel 8 Pro versus the competition. You're gonna wanna see it first, so do subscribe and hit that bell icon. If you wanna see some previous related videos, they'll be linked here and here. Hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, then do smash that like button for me. Thanks for watching. This is Saf on SuperSaf TV, and I'll see you next time.